Thank you for choosing Grand Skills as your #1 online free professional course creator. For your notice, I want you to know that the instructor of this course has put in so much effort, time and money just to create this content for you to learn all for free. So please do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all so you will be the first to get our video tutorials we'll be posting at all time. Also give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to help us improve more. Thank you.
Yeah, still on the same day, on the 25th day, you can see the fishes are actually sustaining themselves a whole lot more. They are sustaining themselves, they are hanging on the water. So what I will do is to transfer them from here to a tarpaulin pond. If not for the medication that we gave them, they would have been dying from the second week, but you can see it's over 3 weeks now. So since their immune system is actually getting down, we have to transfer them to the tarpaulin pond. If not for that medication, they would have been dropping more. So you can also mix the medication once again for them. Same tetracycline and chloramphenicol you can also mix for them. So, but you have to transfer from concrete to tarpaulin. So before you start your hatchery, make sure you have a tarpaulin pond. So when you transfer them, you can also give them the medication. These ones, I'm done sorting them all. I'm done sorting all these ones. And I'll move them to separate ponds. This is one of the ponds. And this is another pond where I separated them to. Here's another pond. You can see these ones too are still hanging. They are sustaining themselves. So what you do is you have to move them from the concrete to tarpaulin. You have to move them from concrete to tarpaulin. So you can see how big this one is, the pond is. So this is the second place where I transfer them to. So the fishes are now in 3 ponds. And I'm gonna separate them. I'm gonna separate them to the tarpaulin pond. Now this is the tarpaulin setup. This is the tarpaulin pond. Is also roofed. You can see I have 10 rows here, and there's 3 the other at the ending, and this is from here to the ending is 10, and total of 13 ponds. And the size of this is 3 feet by 6 feet. and the length or the height is just 2 feet plus. So you can see it's portable, so you can manage it. If it's very big, it will be difficult to manage. And this is another set of the fries. Don't mind it, these are actually not in use. So you can see them. And at the back there, on the waste pipe, what we have there is back nut that used to be in a tank. So it's of different size, and that one is 1/4 size. So let me show you how you can do your connection. This is actually inlet. Here is the inlet. This is the inlet, how it is. You can see the inlet is being connected. So from this one now, from this back nut, you can see the waste pipe here. So you have to put an elbow. You have to put an elbow under. You have to put an elbow connecting to the back nut, and you dig it down. When you dig it down, you now connect this one again to the elbow, and then this one will come out. Now you have to dig a bit down. That is why you see this being buried under, because it was being dug down. So you can see how it is. So that is how you do your waste pipe, and you can see the waste pipe is being calibrated. So you can do this and put. So when you transfer the fishes, you don't have to put net again. So that is it on tarpaulin construction. So you can see the construction is being done by wood, not the iron type. You can see this one actually lasts longer. You can see I have one wood here. One wood here, and another wood here. That's four woods on the side. So that's how it should be done, and that is it for tarpaulin construction. Always use your wood, and also roof, so you can see how it is. Now if you transfer the fishes to this place, the temperature will be very okay for them. There won't be any mortality. So you can see this is how it's being wasted out. What I'm doing now is I want to flush out this debris instead of using the siphoning method. I want to use this method to flush them out. So I'll rinse I'll open the water. I'll use my bucket to fetch water to push them down, and all the debris will be out. And at the same time, I can also pick out the remaining shootouts as well. So this is how it is being done.
Thank you for choosing Grand Skills as your number one online free professional course creator. For your notice, I want you to know that the instructor of this course has put in so much effort, time, and money just to create this content for you to learn all for free. So please do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all so you will be the first to get our video tutorials we'll be posting at all time. Also give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to help us improve more. Thank you.